Good job, Mr. Walker. I got the big jump.
What? It's okay. What you got, Walker?
Cool. Get a picture of my baby rolling up.
I can't. Oh.
I wanted you to really.
Wow, Walker.
Oh. Daddy, this is a shark.
Coming over here.
Oh my gosh.
Big to get in the net.
Oh my gosh, Walker.
It's gonna bend that.
It's gonna break the net.
Yeah!
Wow, Walker.
Got that big drum.
The drum is big.
Walker, it's not one.
Whoa, grab that tail, Walker, pull him out.
Is that bigger than yours?
I think it is.
Wait.
Grab it, Walker.
Can't!
I told you that fish would work.
Daddy,
Thank you.
Daddy. That's not big enough. Isn't that, Daddy, is this the biggest fish we caught?
Oh my gosh.
Biggest fish on.
Whoa, Walker. Go sit over on that side of him. Because I don't think you're picking this puppy up.
No, I am. By the gill. With no glove.
Oh, it's slippery.
Oh my gosh, Walker.